Hello friends, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss hydryllin, that is most commonly used as a cough syrup, its ingredients, usages, side effects, risks and precautions. So stay with us and watch this video till the end. Hydryllin syrup is typically used to alleviate dry cough symptoms by soothing the throat. Its main ingredient, glycerol, helps to relieve irritation and provide a coating effect. Ingredients. The specific ingredients of hydryllin syrup can vary based on the brand or formulation. However, common ingredients often include glycerol, which is a soothing agent for the throat. Main ingredients of hydryllin syrup are aminophyllene, diphenhydramine HCl, ammonium chloride.
What is the dosage of hydryllin syrup for kids? The recommended hydryllin syrup dosage for children between 9 to 16 years of hydryllin 120 ml is 1 mg per kilogram. Along with it, the dosage for 6 to 8 months is 1.2 mg per kilogram.
Usages. It can be used for a variety of diseases such as cough, wheezing, chest congestion, bronchitis, emphysema, allergies, hay fever, cold symptoms.
Side effects. Potential harmful effects of hydryllin syrup may include allergic reactions or excessive intake leading to gastrointestinal issues. Some common side effects of hydryllin syrup are irregular heartbeat and high blood pressure, restlessness, belly pain, tiredness, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, headache, dizziness, drowsiness, upset stomach, arrhythmias, allergic reaction.
Precautions. To minimize potential repercussions of hydryllin syrup, patients should adhere strictly to recommended dosage guidelines. It's crucial to avoid exceeding the prescribed amount to prevent adverse effects. Individuals with pre-existing medical conditions or those taking other medications should consult a healthcare professional before using hydryllin syrup to ensure compatibility. Always prioritize professional medical advice for personalized care. Warnings. The risks and warnings associated with hydryllin syrup are 1. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. 2. Hypersensitivity. 3. Operating machinery. Hydryllin syrup can lead to drowsiness, dizziness, and impaired coordination. Patients should avoid operating heavy machinery while taking it. 4. Alcohol. Avoid consuming alcohol if you are taking hydryllin syrup. 5. Heart conditions. Patients with a history of heart conditions should use this medication with caution, as it can cause side effects like rapid heartbeat and palpitations. 6. Kidney disease. Patients with a history of kidney disease and related problems should use hydryllin syrup with caution. 7. Use in children and elders. The medicine should be used cautiously in children and elderly, as the risk of potential side effects is higher.
If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.